Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. I just can't stop. If you don't have object to path, I don't know when object to path started. If you don't have object to path, this is old school, but this could be the easiest way. I've got my item on my object. It's a 1/2 inch. So if you remember from the previous video, we need 33 of them. If you will double click on there and move the rotation to the center of the circle and go to Windows and Dockers and Transform, yours might be called Transformation. Now, this circle is 360 degrees. We need 33 of them. Corel is going to do the math. I need 32 copies. That quick, it's going to put that stitch around that item, and every one of them is going to be perfect. And then, like in the previous video, you can delete that line and there's your stitch pattern. Every Corel has transform or transformation. And so you go to the rotation and let Corel figure out the math. And these are perfectly spaced out. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.